Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to learn fraction. Fraction basics for grade 3, 4, 5 and 6. Are you ready? Yes, there are many types. Today we are going to learn few types. The first type, what you observe is with same denominator. The first question on your screen. Solve 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Here 1 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So when you observe this question, you can see the denominator is repeated twice. That is 5 has come twice. So instead of writing 5 twice, you can write only once. So then what you have to do is you have to add the numerator. So just very simple case, 1 plus 1, the numerator separately you can add. 1 plus 1 is 2, then denominator should be written only once. So answer is 2 by 5. So what you learned from this slide, when the denominator is same, write it once and simply add the numerator. Simply add the numerator and put it in the numerator place. Clear? How to solve fraction problems. Shall we go to the next question? Solve 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Here 2 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. Then 4 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. Yes, excellent. You are observing that? Yes, 7 has come twice. So 7 should be written only once. Yes, 7 should be written only once. The numerator separately should be added. 2 plus 4, 6. So answer is 6 by 7. So what you have learned here, when the denominator is same, write it once and simply add the numerator. The next question. Solve 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. You want to solve? Do you want to solve? Yes, very good. Shall I wait for a couple of seconds? You got the answer? Excellent, extraordinary. So 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7 is 5 by 7. So what is the easier way? The denominators are same. We can do that easier. Next question. Now, I won't give the hint. Can you solve this? Solve 7 by 11 plus 2 by 11. You got it? Fantastic. So answer is 9 by 11. Same logic as we discussed in the previous slides. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 by 11. Shall we go to the next type? This is type 2. When we have different denominators, how to do this question? Solve 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7. Here 2 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. 1 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. So what you observe is, here you are having different denominators. When the denominators are different, take LCM. So what is the LCM of the denominators? 5 and 7. 5 and 7 they are distinct. So 5 times 7 is 35. The LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Now what you have to do is, this denominator you have to make it as 35. How can you make this 5 as 35? You have to multiply with 7. How can you make the 7 as 35? You have to multiply with 5. So you can't do to the denominator alone. What you do to the denominator, same thing you have to do to the numerator also. So the first case, 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 5 times 7 is 35. The same 7 should be multiplied to the numerator. 2 times 7, that is 14. Then 7, the next case 1 by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. The numerator 1 times 5 is 5. So what you observe here is 14 by 35 plus 5 by 35. So now when you observe this 14 by 35 plus 5 by 35, now you can recall the first method. Denominators are same. So denominator should be written once and the numerator should be added. Now this question has been turned into our first type. So 14 plus 5, 19. Answer is 19 by 35. So what you learned from this slide, when the denominators is different, take LCM. Shall we go to the next question? Fraction problems are easy. Now you are feeling, right? Yes, I am also feeling the same. When we have different denominators, solve 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7. How to do it in different methods? We can also cross multiply. How can you cross multiply? This denominator 7 should be multiplied with 2. The other denominator 5 should be multiplied with 1. That means denominator and numerator should be multiplied diagonally. Okay, crosswise. So 2 into 7, 14. 5 into 1, 5. But only one important thing you have to remember is, in cross multiplication, denominator should be directly multiplied. What is 7 into 5? 35. So denominator should be directly multiplied. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 by 35. The previous question also 19 by 35. This question also 19 by 35. But the question is same, method is different. In cross multiplication, denominator should be directly multiplied. I want everyone to repeat. Can you repeat? Okay, yes, I will tell once, you have to repeat. In cross multiplication, denominators should be directly multiplied. Shall we go to the next question? Yes, fractions are easy now. Where type 2, when we have different denominators, solve 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. Take LCM of the denominator. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Now as we have done this question earlier, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. 2 into 2, the denominator you should make it as 10, right? The 5 you should make it as 10. 5 into 2, 10. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 by 10. This 10 also, already it is 10 only. Either you can multiply with 1 or you can leave it. Just I have multiplied here, okay? 3 into 1 and 10 into 1. So what you will be getting? 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Now this question, when you observe 4 by 10 and 3 by 10, we can recall our first method. That is nothing but denominators are same. You can write only once. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 10. Very easy, right? When the denominator is different, take LCM. Fraction problems are now easy. They are easier now. Shall we go to the next question? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. We can also cross multiply. Now when you do cross multiplication, what you have to do? This 10 should be multiplied with 2. This 5 should be multiplied with 3. That is not very important. The other important thing is the denominator should be directly multiplied. Okay, the first case cross multiplication, what you have to remember is denominator should be directly multiplied. 2 tens are 20, 3 5s are 15. Then denominators 5 into 10, 50. Now what you will getting is 35 by 50. So what is common here? You observe 5 is common here. So 35 divided by 5, that is 7. 50 divided by 5, that is 10. So you will be getting the final answer as 7 by 10. Shall we do one more? Solve 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. We can also do cross multiplication. Yes, you want to do? Shall I wait? 2 5s are 10. 3 4s are 12. So 10 plus 12 by 15. What is 10 plus 12? 22 by 15. Here a small problem is this is an improper fraction. 22 by 15 is an improper fraction. So you have to make it as a mixed fraction. It is nothing but 1 7 by 15. So in cross multiplication, denominator should be directly multiplied. Solve 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Yes, what do you want to remind me? Oh, I said I will teach you the third method. Yes, I do remember that. If from this question we will use the third method. Here 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 we know to do in two different methods. One is taking the LCM for the denominator. The second method is cross multiplication. The third method, here do you observe anything common between the denominator 15 and 20? Any multiple is common? 5 tables, right? Yes, 5 is common. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So now you take 1 by 5 out. Okay, this is another shortcut. Once you take 1 by 5 out, what you will get is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Remember, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 is same as 1 by 5 times 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. LHS and RHS are same. So now 1 by 5 times 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 you know to do either as cross multiplication or LCM method. So you will be getting 7 by 12. So now 1 by 5 into 7 by 12. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 into 7 is 7, 5 into 12 is 60. So the answer is 7 by 60. This common which I have taken here is called HCF. You will learn this in higher classes. Okay, this is HCF. But this is very simple and easy method when the numbers are very big. Shall we do one more? This should be the last question for this session. Solve 1 by 21 plus 1 by 28. And do remember, this is part 1. I will be publishing part 2, part 3. Next fraction part 2 will be with subtraction. Solve 1 by 21 plus 1 by 28. So we know to do in two different methods. One is LCM method. Second is cross multiplication. The third method is what I said. Is observe anything common between the denominators. Any tables. Yes, 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. So 7 is common. You can take 1 by 7 out. So 1 by 21 plus 1 by 28 can be written as 1 by 7 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So what is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4? It's nothing but 7 by 12. So 1 by 7 into 7 by 12 is Nothing but 7 gets cancelled, 1 by 12. The common which I have taken here is called HCF. You will learn this in higher class. Thanks for watching this. Kindly remember to subscribe this channel.